Play fi baro mga kadavida paspet na Shillong Mail Kyrwoh ka Atiar. Hagni mentang don hakwe ni school bapaw na mga kajalla kabalwan ra namru i kajalla gi babon kiliang kata kede ka Pine Mount School. Ya ka Pine Mount laseng hakasnam khat prasba prapo kat kum ka jingyo record nagi register na school balabu dai headmistress ka school hagi to kipor i Miss Miles ka kerteng baningkong banrung school hangni kalong ka Lydia Fenton balakha hakasi tarek unai lur khat prasba prapulai bat kala rung school hak handre tarek unai lar khat khandai spa kani ka school ka pen ya so eladi bat ka Indian School Certificate Examination bat ka Indian School Certificate ya ka bala ithu dakiwe pat ki school ba hakiwe kiri ki bahab hakathop ka Commonwealth countries hapadang gini ki ek baro kani ka school menta kelas dang do ya ka nam jongka namar dang hakini ki khendiat banai ki kanram ki balbon kilas dang ban paw perthai na kani ka school bat pawru hadu kilat pathai khubor bat haki social media ru kumjo tangkata haswa kini ki baro house nam arjar khatpra hakapor bagakong mina kharkongor kadang long kum ka chairperson jonga state commission for protection of child rights ru kala deptho halor ka jinglap jonga commission halor ka ning school Pine Mount shaka sarkar henry amshem ladon bashim khia.
The water is dirty, the walls are dirty, the floor is dirty, the toilet is dirty, even the doors are dirty. And then even the dustbins, and then they never change the trash bags, and then the water is dirty also. And like there are always spider webs, and the locks are rusted, either rusted or they just don't work or it's broken.
Toilets, for example, he don't come to toilet or quit, but the king quit toilet, giving pang babun, they go.
We are standing here for the cause of the removal of the principal of Pine Mount School. We want our rights. We would like for there to be better facilities in our school, better toilets, a library, and many other facilities that we will make known later.
Ka kenrum kenram hapo ka school kam dai tang na ka jingbam biang ki jingdon kam ki khna henrai ha ka jingti pnya jong Shillong Mail Kyrwoh ka Atiar ka ne ka school ka don bon ki jingduna bat hakine ki khndiat por la yo jingte pa ki babot ki khna school ki bedai ki kenthai ki la yo ru ka jingpang UTI tang na ka daw ka jingbam biang ki jakale chabar ka jingjau ki kamra class bat ka weina ki daw ba ka dai ru ka jingbam biang shu ha ka rukom hikai bat ka ne ka dai na ka jingethu ki kmi ki pa na kini ki kenram la yo jingtep bagi babon ki kme ki pa ki lapen kenria school no yala ki jong ki khon
bagi isu ke bumi ni kong ya kali kata hi ni pak bingin address na dum kong ni nak ni principal agak pasang deploy bagi ni siap ban pat ni banyak keren rehadian untuk nak daw yu ni impa acu banyak keren dan kimi pa bre ki ongka le keren ni kelen jupi dan kili keren kimi pa ru bor bre ni bre kalon ba ismat kan kom dia ni penon kam iki kan dengan saya hang ni kita ni mikpa jiban kubur dia taruh.
Major problem we face is the bathroom, right from the when she was small up till now. But this year itself, when she is in class 11, the problem which I face is that when there's rain, the water enters the classroom from the RAM itself from 11-12, and they could not take classes when the water enters the classroom. So that's a problem. We already talked with the teachers. They said that we have to talk with the principal about it. But up till now, no initiative is taking place.
So it's really, there's so many children have suffered because of that, and a lot of girls have, they're getting UTI because of the toilets. There's no water. If they want to go, there's no water. So how can they, there's no water in the school. Water should be provided, right, in the toilets. There's so many toilets, but without water.
Halor kini ki bela pau perthai dang nen kasngi ka khat nyo tere urisau arajar arpuar hak jingwan jurip kansan jong menteri rangba ka jella ukon rat ki sangma haringkat ka jinga don lang menteri ka tanat puli puthi uba lakmen rumboy baru chief secretary uba DP walang lala banyo sngo ya ka jingkubur jong menteri rangba halor ki babon ki jingduna bat ka bapen long yu ban kular ban wanrah bat pen biang ya ki jingdon kam bakani ka school kaduna.
We have seen that there are concerns regarding amenities like toilets. So we have taken a decision on the spot that whatever repair has to be done to improve the infrastructure in terms of toilets, in terms of other infrastructures which require repairs will be done. At the same time, we have also seen that the hostel facility is not at all up to the mark, and a lot of things are required to be done. And so we have also decided that in fact there is a proposal already, and the sanction has already been done. We have also come and seen this auditorium which has been lying unused, and we feel it can be put to better use. So we will be repairing this also and deciding on how we will use it in the future. We are also seeing the field out here. This also is in a bad condition, and other administrative requirements also are there. For example, the offices required for different staff and principal. We will examine all those aspects also. So the idea was basically to come and see the overall situation out here, based on the different concerns that have been raised by the public and the past pupils, the teachers, and other managing committee members.
Mentangin bo ki jingkylla hato kan ni jinghyar jong ka school kadai na jing bomla ban sim khia jong ka principal jong ka school hato ka principal kan sim na em ka jingket khli halade halor ka jinglong jingman jong ka school kamba kalong menta hato kan IT no ka ni ka jingket ka bakhia haki wei pat ki bakhamla ne kan up yaki bor bakham halor bakin weng ka jingkli ka bangi bo hato ka jingwan hi daladi menteri rangba ban tuklar bat sim khia ka jing e ki khanna bat ki no hi kai jong ka school hato unla ne em ban tuklar pat yaki babon ki school sarkar ha ka jalla ki badon ha ki than nong kundong khamtam ki bom biang watang ki no hi kai ki kamra ki jaka le chabar namar ki ne ki jingdon kam jong ki school ha ki jaka ki ba ki snong nong kundong le se kan long ka ba e ban parkhat yaki khanna puli ki be kundu yaki ne baro.
Shanta Group of Institutions, Bangalore, under the leadership of the most popular public servant Shri Dr. K. Sudhakar. The institutions offers academic opportunities for full-term courses to short and long-term training. Around 500 students from various states are pursuing various courses like nursing, with 100 multiple teaching and non-teaching departments comprising of 500 students pursuing graduation, post-graduation and doctorate courses. The state of the academic facilities of Shanta Group of Institutions provide practical training under the supervision of faculty members. At Shanta Group of Institutions, excellence and academic combined with exquisite facilities like sports and games, gym fitness center, digital library, hostel facilities, and also they provide 100% quality placement and merit scholarship can be provided to meritorious students.